Welcome to Benjamin's TechWeb. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Minecraft mods on Minecraft Java Edition on a Windows computer. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is, if we open up the Minecraft launcher, you see if we were to go to installations, you see there's the latest release there by default, and if you were to click a new one, you can also check like the snapshots and the historical, and there's C modded checked there, but there's just the normal releases. Like if you look here, and yeah, there's just normal releases. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google, and then from there go to files.minecraftforge.net. And now you see that there's Minecraft version here, the 1.16, 15.14, and already down. Now, for your mods, if you already have a mod picked out, what you want to do in the version for, well, then you're probably going to want the Forge version for that. But if you don't, then I recommend most mods work on versions like 1.7.10 and 1.12.2. In this case, the mods I'll be using are for 1.12.2. So I'm going to download that. But you would get the version for whatever your mod is for, whatever version it is. So then you see 1.12.2 here. Then I guess I can make Chrome full screen. And you see downloads for Minecraft Forge MC 1.12.2. And then we're going to download, under download recommended, we're going to click installer. Then it's going to bring up this. Just don't click anything up in the right corner. You'll see, please wait however many seconds, and then I'll say skip. Click that. And then it's going to download. See, this type of file can harm your computer. Do you want to keep the file anyway? And we're going to click keep. And then you click on show in folder. And there it is. So then I'm going to open it, and you're going to run the installer. So just install the client and click OK. It is then going to install Forge, and it should only take a few seconds. And you see it's finished successfully. It says complete, successfully installed client profile Forge for version 1.12.2 Forge, whatever the version is, into the launcher, and downloaded 19 libraries. Click OK. And now, if we close this up and we go back to the launcher, you see that now the version is there, but we're not ready to use it yet. So now, instead of just the latest release, which in this case right now is 1.16.5, there's also here Forge 1.12.2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Windows or on my keyboard or Run, and to do that, you want to hold down the Windows key and press R. This little window will open up, and it says Open. You want to type %appdata%, click Enter. And it's going to bring you into your app data directory here. And now at the top, it should say .minecraft, or one of the top. If it's not at the top, then find it, because it should be in here if you've opened up the launcher. So anyway, you're going to find the .minecraft folder, open it, and now you're going to right click and make a new folder and call it mods, just like this. All lowercase, no spaces or anything, just like that, mods. And now you want to download your mods. So the mods I'll be using is Galacticraft, so I'm going to download those. And you see here, Galacticraft mod, and I'm going to download it from the Galacticraft. We might want to be a little more simple. Galacticraft mod download. And then you go ahead here. McDoodle8.com is where I'm going to download it. We're on Galacticraft, and then we want to select your version, which is 1.12.2. Then you see the latest, and we're going to have to download all three of these, so just click on them all. You don't have to install Galacticraft. I'm doing it as my example mod, but you're going to want to find your mod for the version and install that Forge version, whatever the version of the game is for, and then download to wait 5 seconds. Download, and then wait 5 seconds again. Download. Now we're going to go ahead and keep, and keep. So I'm going to keep all of these. And then so go show these in folder, and you see here are the mods, and we're just going to copy them into the mods folder. So we just go to the mods folder, which I've opened up. The mods are now pasted in. I'm running the Forge 1.12.2, and this has the 1.12.2 mod. So if you're going to use Forge for, say, 1.7.10 and 1.12.2, but you're going to play, say you have both of those, and you're going to play with mods on 1.12.2. Only have the 1.12.2 mods in the mods folder, or, only have the 1.12.2 mods in the mods folder, otherwise it will try and load mods that aren't compatible for the version, and it won't work. But you see I have mods in here now, and we can install more we'll install another mod, because why not? We can install a Minecraft Flight Simulator. Minecraft Flight Simulator mod. Minecraft Flight Sim, and you see here it is on Curseforge, which has a lot of mods. And then you see, okay, Minecraft Transport Simulator. Okay, so here it is. So now we're gonna download this mod, and you see for this it requires the MTS packs. Yeah, you see official vehicle set, and we're gonna want to download. There's a ton of them there, but we want to download the mod. Download this, and see this for 1.12.2. We're going to keep it, and then we're going to go back, and I'm going to download the official vehicle set for it. Here it is, and now we can download that as well. And we download. So now we have the mods that we need. And now we can go ahead and copy these and find the other one. There it is. Copy that. And now go ahead back to the mods folder and paste them. So you see we have them up and running here in the folder. We can then close all of this out and then open up the Minecraft launcher. And as you saw before, we have our Forge version there. In this case, mine's 1.12.2. Make sure that it's selected. It should be by default, and we can click play. Now it says, it says something about it doesn't support the latest safety features. Just I understand the risk and play again, or you don't, and you can just play it anyway. But I'm gonna check that box so it doesn't show me again, and we're gonna click play, and then it's going to download the launcher. This should download the version. It should only take a few seconds. See, this is only 57 megabytes. So then it is done. It's almost done. It's done. The launcher will close, and in a few seconds it should open this up. So you see it's loading, constructing mods. It says like memory use total. It's loading all this stuff as. If you just give it a few seconds, you'll see all your mod names down under the Mojang logo here, because it's loading all them up. So don't place new mods if you place new mods in the folder while the version's running, then it probably won't read them or something will happen. So if you want to put more mods in, then close the game and then put them in and then load it back up. But yeah, you see now Minecraft 1.12.2 MCP 9.42 powered by Forge, and then the version number there, 8 mods loaded, 8 mods active. We click the mods button now. That's there. And you see Minecraft Code Pack Forge mod loader, Minecraft Forge, and then see Galacticraft, Planets, and Immersive Vehicles, which I have. Those are the ones I have in there. Some of the mods are already going to be there. Those are Forge, but then you have to be added the mods for yourself. Now, you can select done. You don't even have to go into it. Now, we can single player to make it Galacticraft full screen. And gonna load up the world. It's gonna take a few seconds, hopefully not too long. And if you don't have a super powerful computer, if you have some big gaming rig that, with maxed out specs, you can run a lot of mods at it, and the game will work. So, if you have a computer that doesn't have that can run the game, the vanilla version of the game, with no mods, but if you put a ton of mods that can slow the game down, now mine specs are good for Minecraft on the computer I'm using here. And you see, we're loaded, just gonna load in the world, and then we're gonna go here, and you see now at the top of the creative menu, you see one of two. You have these arrows. You can click over here, and here are the mods we installed. So I have Galacticraft blocks and Galacticraft items, and then Immersive Vehicles, formerly MTS, and then MTS official vehicle pack. So we can use these mods I have here, and we can just get a rocket this, and you see go around, and we have our mods now. So we can go to the moon. We'll put that on our launch pad. Demonstrate the mods here. And yeah, that's how you get mods in Minecraft Java. You should really simple. Unfortunately, the Bedrock edition, you get they're not the same as mods. You just replace textures in the game. They're usually not that good, but this is a full. These are like actual mods. Like this Galacticraft mod, which is really cool. You see, we're launching into space. So that's going to be about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next edition of Benjamin's TechWeb.